So today I'm here with some BoxLunch pins. These are the Disney Princess Blind Box pins. They are the version 2. I unfortunately missed out on the first round. I just kept staring at them a lot and I just ended up missing out on them. So I definitely jumped on when I saw this second one. So in this one, I believe you're able to get Ariel, Aurora, Tiana, Rapunzel, Belle, Mulan, Merida, and Jasmine. So we have 8 blind boxes here. There are 8 dresses. Do I think we're gonna get doubles? I don't doubt that at all. That would be absolutely amazing if we don't, but let's see how we do here. I am absolutely hoping that I can get Belle, and I really like Rapunzel's wedding dress, and I love Mulan and Tiana, and I mean they're all beautiful. So honestly, I'll be happy no matter what we get. There's not really a win or lose here. Unless I get 8 of the same pin, then we might count that as a little bit of a loss. Hopefully that won't happen to us. So let's see how we do here. Oh, I don't even need a scissors. We can just open this straight up. Cool. I'm so excited. Okay, let's see who we got here. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. So we have Rapunzel's wedding dress. Oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. That is stunning. Oh, I'm so excited. We're off to such a good start. We would have been off to a good start no matter what. They're all beautiful, I'm sure. Box number 2. Let's see what we got here. And we have got Ariel. That is so beautiful. I mean, I'm expecting them all to be beautiful, but the quality on these are so pretty. That is stunning. The sparkles are amazing on these, and I always love them. They're always so beautiful when I see them. This is the Ariel's dinner dress. I love pink, so this is definitely a win for me. Box number 3. So far, so good. And we have Tiana's blue ball dress. Her sash is nice and sparkly. Her dress is so cute. Very, very nice. Box number 4. Hopefully we still won't get any duplicates. And we've got Aurora's forest dress. So she's got her regular dress, and her little shawl is purple and sparkly. Very pretty. I'm so sorry. I could totally leave these in here. Then we can kind of see what we've got. That makes sense. You guys can look at something more than these blind boxes. There we go. Beautiful. They are a bit far away though, I'm sorry. Okay, getting nervous, but we've got half, so I'm excited. Let's see if we can keep the momentum going with no duplicates. And we've got Mulan! Oh my goodness, so far we've picked good. Okay, so we've got Mulan's matchmaker outfit, and she's got her pink sparkly sash right there. Very cute. I'm so excited. These are all so beautiful. Box number 6. And we are still missing Belle and Merida and Jasmine. So hopefully we'll get them. Let's see. Okay, we've got our first duplicate, and that's okay. We've got Mulan again, right there. Box number 7. Hopefully it'll be one of the ones that we don't have. And we've got another Tiana. This blue is so pretty though. All of these are stunning. Okay, hopefully this will be one of the 3 that we don't have. I really hope that it's the Belle one. Belle is my favorite princess, so I'm really hoping for it. I was gonna try my best not to buy more of these, but I really want Belle, so hopefully. And we've got another Mulan. That's okay. I might end up going and buying some more though, but we'll see. I'm trying to be good about it, but. So, we did pretty good. I mean, for the first 5 of them, we didn't have any duplicates, and unfortunately towards the end we did have duplicates, but these are all really stunning. So let me let you see them one more time. It's Rapunzel's dress, Ariel's dress, Tiana's dress, Aurora's dress, Mulan, and then of course we've got 3 duplicates. Alrighty, well, I hope that this gave you a little bit of insight into a little bit of the quality and the way that these pins look. Let me show you the back of these pins. So they've got the standard kind of Loungefly backing that I've seen from the bow pins. You've all got that same backing. Some of them are gold, some of them are silver. We've got Tiana's dress is silver as well. And Aurora's got kind of more of a copper bronzy-ish kind of tone. Mulan's one as well. So yeah, I'm very happy with these. Very happy. So I may or may not get some more of these. Let me know if you think I should try to get some more to finish the collection here, but these are all really beautiful, and if you're thinking about getting them, go for it. They're so pretty. Let me know if you have a favorite pin. If you're thinking about getting them, let me know which pin you're hoping for, and I will see you next time. Please like, comment below, and please subscribe to me if you haven't, and we'll see you next time. Bye!